that is yet to be issued, and that provision is now made, and the currency in the name of digital rupee will be issued. Exact name you'll get a bit later, but Reserve Bank is the one which is going to issue it, and what Reserve Bank issues is the digital currency.
So let's start off with what is a CBDC. It's a legal tender in digital form that is issued by a central bank, say the Reserve Bank of India. It works just like traditional money, but it is digital. All fiat money like paper bills and coins, as well as checks and bonds, can be considered and treated as CBDC. So you can use CBDC to pay for goods and services and make all sorts of transactions using the same. The only different thing is its form. Simply put, it's like holding 1,000 rupees worth of physical cash, but in your wallet that's on your iPhone or Android phone. If you think about it, CBDCs sound so much like cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and stuff like that. Both require a digital wallet to store it, to manage them, and conveniently use those funds. And while both use blockchain tech, CBDC isn't a cryptocurrency per se, like Bitcoin, but it is a digital or virtual currency. First, let's talk about decentralization, the whole concept behind cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin or Ethereum aren't governed by any central authority, neither by central banks nor by the government. On the other hand, India's CBDC, which was announced in the budget, will be governed and distributed by the Reserve Bank of India. This means its management and regulation will be done by the government. The limits and distribution of CBDC will also be governed by the Reserve Bank of India. Now, the governing body will be in charge of producing new digital coins should there be a need to do so. Bitcoin has a maximum supply of say 21 million Bitcoins. And this has been set by their creator, who we aren't sure who it really is, but this is a fixed amount. Now, Bitcoin has no central authority. No one can change the maximum count unless someone actually goes and changes the protocol, which is a very complicated process and hasn't been done before. Now, another key difference between CBDC and other traditional cryptocurrencies is that crypto is often looked at as a store of value. That means people actually buy it as an investment and don't necessarily sell it immediately, but they can buy and sell it on cryptocurrency exchanges as well or marketplaces. A CBDC, on the other hand, is looked at more like a currency and can be used as an alternative to cash, a digital alternative, and the only way to get it is through the central bank or the Reserve Bank of India. Now, at first glance, both CBDC and cryptocurrencies seem to work in similar ways in terms of the tech underlying each of them, which is blockchain, but each of them have a different use case when viewed from a finance or policy perspective. That's all the crypto chatter for today from me, Ayush Alavadi. Until next time, adios.